Hi dear friends, this is Mysore Gro Sabha exhibition where a 400 kg cake has been created using egg, sugar, cake gel, baking powder, maida flour, icing, sugar, fat. This they have created all important films of Dr. Rajkumar. It's the Kannada film industry. Look at it. ತಾಯಿಗೆ ತಕ್ಕ ಮಗ, ವಸಂತ ಗೀತ, ಭಾಗ್ಯವಂತ, ಶರಾಬಿ ಅಪ್ಪಣ್ಣ, ಚಲಿಸುವ ಮೋಡಗಳು, ಎರಡು ನಕ್ಷತ್ರಗಳು, ಭಕ್ತ ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದ, ಯಾರಿವನು, ಬೆಟ್ಟದ ಹೂ, ಶಿವಮೆಚ್ಚಿದ ಕಣ್ಣಪ್ಪ, ಅಪ್ಪು, ಅಭಿ, ಕನ್ನಡಿಗ, ಸೂರ್ಯ, ಬಸವ, ಪರಶುರಾಮ್, ಬಿಂದಾಸ್. So entire Rajkumar family, Shivraj Kumar, Puneet Rajkumar, so films have been printed. Very nice. So it's a tribute to the Rajkumar family. See, Gandhavagudi, Rajkumar. Very nice. Art gallery has been created. Rajkumar. Chocolate Rajkumar. It's a very nice place.
Full body.